In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Enhanced Security Mode in Microsoft Edge. This setting adds an extra layer of protection while you browse, especially on sites you don't visit often. It helps limit potentially risky web features behind the scenes, reducing the chance that a malicious page can run unsafe code, while still keeping everyday browsing smooth and familiar. Begin by opening Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is up, look toward the top right corner of the window and click the three dots. That opens the main menu, where all of Edge's tools and customization options live. From there, choose Settings. This takes you to the control center for privacy, performance, and appearance. Inside Settings, find and select Privacy, Search, and Services in the left-hand panel. If your window is small and you don't immediately see the sidebar, widen the window or use the navigation icon to reveal it. This section is where Edge groups all privacy and security options, so it's the right place to make these changes. Scroll down until you reach the Security section. Here, look for the option labeled Enhance Your Security on the Web. Turn this switch to On. When enabled, Edge applies additional safeguards, particularly on unfamiliar websites. You might notice the toggle changes color and extra choices appear underneath it, which means it's active and ready to customize. Next, choose the security level that fits how you browse. Balanced is the recommended option for most people. With Balanced, Edge automatically applies stronger protections to sites you don't visit often, while leaving your regular trusted sites largely unchanged. That way you get better security without disrupting everyday tasks like email, online shopping, or streaming. If you want the tightest protection possible, select Strict. This applies those security mitigations to every site you visit. It's the most protective choice, but it may cause some parts of certain websites to stop working as expected, especially on pages that rely on advanced scripting. If you notice a page behaving oddly after turning on Strict, it's usually a sign that the added protections are doing their job. You can switch back to Balanced at any time if you prefer a more flexible experience. Once you've made your choice, you're done. Enhanced Security Mode is now turned on and will apply immediately. You can close the Settings tab and continue browsing as usual. If your needs change, just come back to this same spot to adjust the level. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a safer browsing experience with Microsoft Edge.